ओम शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹர ஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्त प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുംഭീരേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. I know because we have the program on Saturday, I think most of the Saturday batch students are also here today. So we'll do a quick review of 37. So Sridevi Garu, can you do 37?
Sure, MD.
Then give me just 1 second. I'm just okay. Then let's see here. Anandji, can you do 37?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. And then Aarti, you can be a student for 38. I mean, for the 16, the rest of the class today. And then
Sure.
let me see here. Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just trying to see who all are here. And Sindhuji, you can be a student, okay, for the class today.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So I think I don't know who I said for who to go first, but go ahead. I think Sridevi Garu, right? I said 37.
Om Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 37 Sri Krishnavatar Prasanga Varnanam. Sandrananda Tanohare Nanupura Daivasure Sangare Tvatkrutta api karma shesha vashato etena yata gatim tesham bhutala janmanam diti bhuvam bharena duradita bhumih prapa virincha mashrita padam devaih puraiva gataihi ha ha durjana bhuri bharamatitam patho nidau patukam etam palaya hanta me vivashatam sampruchha devaniman ityadi prachura pralapa vibhasham alokya data mahim devanam vadanani viksha parito dadyau bhavantam hare Vuche chambujabhura munayisuraha satyam daritriya vacho nanvasya bhavatam cha rakshana vidhau daksho hi lakshmi patihi sarve sharva purassara vayamito gatva payo varidhim natva tam stumahe javaditi ayuhu sakam tava ketanam te mugda nilashali dugda jalades tiram gata sangata yavat pada chintanaika manasaha tavat sapato jabhuhu tvadvacham hrudaye nishamya sakalananandayannun chivan आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कन्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीय वचनं पातो जबुरुचिवान् श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा सशूरात्मजः उद्वाहावसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोत सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा अस्यास्त्वमति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपानीमदात्.
Sridevi Garu, the third line, can you just say that third line again?
Asyastvamati dushtamashtamasuto.
Asyas tvam, not tvam. Asyas tvam ati dushtam ashtamasutho.
Okay. Asyas, right? Asyastvamati.
No, tvam, not tvam.
Okay.
Tvam.
अस्यास्त्वामति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
गृह्णानाश्चिक्षुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतो तयातो गृहान् आद्यं त्वत्सहजं ततार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा तावत्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी स हरिर्भवद्व्यदकृते
Bhadakrite.
भावी स्वरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदून दूदुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन् प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भो सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानसुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे. श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. Sorry for the
Very good.
mistakes.
No, very nice.
कृष्णाय परमात्मने सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननुपुरा देवासुरे सङ्करे तत्कृता अभिकर्मशेषवशतो एतेन याता गतिं तेषा भूदलजन्मनां दिदिभुवां भारेण भूरार्धिता भूमिप्रापविरिञ्जमाश्रितपदं देवे पुरे वागदैः.
Anandji, just Anandji, one small correction. The first line and last line, right? The first line, Daiva Sure Sangare, not Deva Sure. Daiva.
Thank you.
Okay, and then the last line, Devai, not, I think you said Deve or something. Devai. Y sound there. Devai. Yeah, okay. You can continue. Yeah.
Aha durjana bhuri bharamaditam पाथो निधो पादुकां एदां पालयहन्त मे विवशतां सम्प्रश्च देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रजुरप्रलापविवशाम् आलोक्य दादा महिं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यो भवन्तं हरे पूजे चाम्बुजभूरमूनयिसुराः सत्यं दरिद्र्यावचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविदो दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे सर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयो वारिधिं नत्वा तं तुमहे जवाद्दिति युयुः सागं तवाकेतनं.
The last line yayu, sorry, the last line yayuhu, not yuyuhu. Okay. Last line.
Yeah. Thank you. ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्धजलदे तीरं गदा संगता यावत् तत्पदचिन्तने गमनसः तावत् सपाधोजभू तत्त्वाजं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्याता परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशतां भूमि च भूमिर्नृपैः
भीमैर्नृपैः भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः
तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोमं समाग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनो मत्स्येवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पादोजभूरुचिवान् श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्व्यापित सन्देशीशगदेषु तावककृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवगनन्दनामुदवः राजासशूरात्मजः उद्वाहावसितो तदीयसहज कंसोदसम्मानयन् नेधोऽसूततया गदपदिरथे व्योमोधया तद्गिरा अस्यास्त्वामदि दुष्टमष्टमसुदो हन्देदि हन्देरिदः चन्द्रासात्सदु हन्दुमन्दिगगदां त्वन्निं कृपाणीमधात् गृह्णानञ्चि कुरेषु तां घलमदीः शौर्यैश्चिरं स्वान्दनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोदयाधो ग्रहान् आद्यं तत्सहजं तदार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कथा तावत्तन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्न सुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी सहरिर्भवद्वद कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थना इत्याकर्ण्ययधूनधूदसो शौरैश्च सूनूनहन्.
Anandji, the third line again, like it's Sridevi Garu, Harir Mayavisa Harir Bhavat Vadakrite. Va.
Can you repeat it one more
Yeah.
time?
Mayavisa Harir Bhavat Vadakrite Vadam. So Vadakrite.
Oh, okay. Vadakrite. Oh, Vadakrite. Mayavi Saharir Bhavadvada. Is it correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Yes.
Kride Bhavi Sura Prathana Ityakarneya Dhuna Dhudunataso Shaurashcha Sununahan Prapte Saptama Garbhada Mahipado Tatpreranan Mayaya Nide Madavarohinim Tamamabi Bhosachitsuge Katmagaha.
So there that Rohini, you stretch it a little bit and then pause after that, right? So Nite Madava Rohini, and then there's a pause. Then Twamapi Bhosachitsuge Katmagaha.
Nite Madavarohinim Tamamabi Bhosachitsuga Sughegatmagaha Devakya Jadaram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamana Surehi Sattvam Krishna Vidhuya Roga Badalim Bhaktim Varam Dehi Me. Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sorry, Rajesh.
No, it is good only. I think one thing I'm consistently, I think one thing, maybe it is the way it is written in Malayalam. So if you go to the same thing is happening. That's why I didn't stop you. So for example, if you go to 7, right? 7th one, second line end, it's Twadgira. But I think everywhere there's a Twa coming, you're saying Tha. So in that line, 7th stanza, second line, Vyomotaya Twadgira. Okay, that was one. And then 8th stanza, if you go, third line, Adyam Twatsahajam. Right? So wherever the Twa is coming, I'm hearing a Tha.
Okay.
Okay, so just I don't know how it is written in Malayalam, that if it is they're mixing it or not, I don't know. But I don't know, Sindhuji, what you are seeing.
It's Twa.
It's Twa. Okay, so okay, maybe just check. I think every time the Twa he's saying Ta. That is the only mistake you're consistently doing. That's all. Otherwise, it was perfect.
Yeah, I didn't get the chance to practice.
No worry. No, you said it really well. No worries at all.
A hard time coming back.
No worries at all. Okay. So Narayani, since you're going to do 38 on Saturday, do you want to do the first 6 that we think stopped at 6, right? Okay.
Panata?
Go ahead.
Dashakam 38, Shri Krishna Avatara Varnanam. Anandarupa Bhagavan Naite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanganiri Yamanaihi कान्तिवृजैरिव गणागणमण्डलैद्याम् आवृण्वती विरुरुचे किल वर्षवेला आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतो यैः आशासिताप्तिविवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषा करोदयविदौ निशि मध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः नारायण 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 तमद्भतं बालकमम्बजेक्षणं चतुर्भुजं शङ्खगदार्युधायुधं श्रीवत्सलक्ष्मणगलशोभिकौस्तुभं पीताम्बरं सान्द्रपयोधसौभगं महार्घवैडूर्यकिरीटकुण्डल त्विषापरिष्वक्त सहस्रकुण्डलम् उद्दामकाञ्च्यन् गदकङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत बाल्यास्पृशापि वपुषा तदुषा विभूतिः कटकाङ्गदहारभासा शङ्कारि वारि जगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेहे वक्षस्थली सुकणिलीन विलासि लक्ष्मी मन्दाक्षलक्षितकटाक्ष विमोक्षभेदैः तन्मन्दिरस्य कंसकृताम् अलक्ष्मीम् उन्मार्जयन्निव विरेजित वासुदेव शौरिस्तुधीरमुनिमण्डलचेतसोऽपि दूरस्थितं वपुरदीक्ष्य निजेक्षणाभ्याम् आनन्दबाष्पपुलकोद्गमगद्गदार्द्रः तुष्ट्वा दृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम्
Tushtav and the last name.
तुष्टावदृष्टिमकरन्दरसम्भवन्तम् देव प्रसीद परपूरुषतापवल्ली निर्लूनदात्र समनेत्र कलाविलासिन् केदानपाकुरु कृपा गुरुभिः कटाक्षैः विद्यातितेन मुदितेन चिरं नुतो भूः.
Okay. That's where we stopped last time. So we'll continue from stanza 7. Matra cha netra salilasthrita gatra bhalyam stotrairabishtuda gunah karunalayastvam prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyatabhyam matur ghira dhadita manushabalavesham. So we saw last time how Vasudeva was talking to Krishna, right? And then that conversation was happening. So now the focus is coming to Devaki. So from Devaki's eyes, right, there are tears flowing. So Matra, Netra means eyes, Salila, tears are flowing from her eyes. And that she's so much tears that it's making her entire body wet. She's drowning in tears, right? Literally. So she's then coming and she's telling Krishna that, I'm seeing this original form of yours and you really need to help protect me because this wicked brother of mine, Kamsa, is actually doing all these atrocities. So you really have to help us out. And plus he's also concerned that if Kamsa and others come to know that you are born from my womb, right, they're immediately going to come and try to kill you, right? So she's still not able to comprehend that she's actually talking to the Supreme Lord. She's still thinking of it as her child. So she's saying, how do you not know? You have to help us out at the same time, right? You have to, be careful as well as a mother. So at that time, and then Devaki then says, why don't you then get back into I want to see you. Why are you in this form, right? Devaki is asking Krishna, why are you in this form? So to that, Krishna then goes and explains to her that long time back, and this is not in Narayana, this is there in Bhagavatam, but Krishna goes and tells her that there was a sage by name Sutapa, and he had a wife called Prisni. So that Prisni and Sutapa go and worship for 12,000 years, and then they finally the Lord appears in front of them, and then they say that we want you as our child, or we want somebody like you, is what they say. So Lord says, I cannot give somebody like me. I myself, I'm going to be born, right? And they put that request 3 times. So he says, I'm going to be born 3 times. So first for Prisni and Sutapa, he was born as Prisni Garbha. That's the name of the Lord. Next for Kashyapa and Aditi, he was born as Vamana, which is what we saw in the Vamana Avataram. And then the third, he's saying, I'm born to you, O Devaki and Vasudeva, as Krishna. So he's saying, I'm showed this form to you, so you can actually realize that this is not the first time you are seeing me in this form. You have seen me in this form 2 other times, right? And this is the 3rd time I'm actually being born as your child. Of course, you don't remember it. And Krishna is actually telling that backstory about what happened in their previous births. And then he says, that you treat me, you will have to, number 1, you have to remember that I'm the Supreme Lord and you treat me with love and affection, not just of my form, but also of the form I'm going to take as a child. Right? So he's saying, I just want to show this form, but I'm now going to become a child, right? So when you become a child, you will not be able to comprehend. And the child, you can't go and show devotion, right? You'll only feel love to the child. So Krishna is saying, you kind of have to have both of this with me. You will end up loving me as a child. At the same time, you have to realize that I am the Supreme Lord who is born as well. And you need to continue the devotion. And when you do that, eventually, you will then, reach liberation at the end of this life. Krishna then comes to Manusha Bhalavesham. He then takes on the human form of a child, right? So he then gets into that form.
So Devaki and Vasudeva were Kashyapa in the previous. So
in the previous birth, yeah. So in the previous birth, they were born as it, and then they are now born as Devaki and Vasudeva.
Devaki.
Yeah. Okay. So Matra Cha Netra Salilastrita Gatra Valya, comma. Stotrair Abhishtuta. If you want to break it, you can either say Stotrair Abhishtuta together or Stotrair Abhishtuta Gunaha. So put a ih sound there. Gunah Karunala Yastwam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibhodya Tabhyam, comma Matur Gira Dhaditha Manusha Bala Vesham. Matra Chanetra Salilastrita Gatra Valhya Stotrairabhishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibhodhyatabhyam Matur Gira Dhadita Manusha Balavesham. Sindhuji, go ahead, or Aarti, anyone.
Okay, I can go.
Okay.
Matra Janetra Salilastrada Gatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prajina Janma Yugalam Pradibodhyadabhyam Madhurgira Dadida Balavesham.
Once more, 2 times.
Matra Janetra Salilastrada Gatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuda Gunah Karunalayastvam Prajina Janma Yugalam Pradibodhyadabhyam Madhurgira Dadida Balavesham.
Matra Chanetra Salilastrita Gatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuta Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Maturgira Dadita Manusha Balavesham. Matra Chanetra Salilastrita Gatra Valya Stotrairabhishtuta Gunah Karunalayastvam Prachina Janma Yugalam Pratibodhyatabhyam Maturgira Dadita Manusha Balavesham.
Stanza 8. Tvat preritas-tadanu nandatanu-jayate Vyatyasamarachayitum sahishurasunuhu Tvam hastayoradrita-chitta vidharyamaryehi Amporuhasta-kalahamsa kishoraramhyam. So again, Bhattaripad is saying, Tvat preritas, because of your prompting, because of you telling, right, to Shurasena. Shurasunuhu is referring to son of Shurasena, which is Vasudeva. So Krishna is then telling Vasudeva that you have to now take me and then exchange me, right? Exchange me with Nanda Tanujaya, with the daughter of Nanda Gopa, right? Who is there in Gokulam. So you have to carry out this exchange. So when Krishna then tells Vasudeva, then he then lifting Krishna with his 2 hands. And here Bhattaripad is saying this one is only chittam, only in the mind of sages, right? People can only comprehend, right? Worshipping when a Vasudeva is getting this opportunity where he's actually lifting you with his own 2 hands, right? He's lifting you, and it appears as if on a lotus, Amboru is referring to the lotus. So it's as if on the lotus there is a Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam. So that's a beautiful swan, which is a small young swan. So imagine a white, small, although Krishna is black in color, but a small swan, which is actually sitting on the lotus. That's how Vasudeva was holding Krishna in his 2 arms and then lifting him and carrying him. So Tvat Preritas Tadanu Nanda Tanujaya Te, comma, Vyatyasam Ara Chayitum, if you want to break it, or you can say that together, Vyatyasamara Chayitum, Sahi Shura Sunuhu, Tvam Hastayor Adrita, or Hastayor Adrita together, Chitta Vidharyam Aryehi, put a visarga at the end of that line, Vidharyam Aryehi, comma. Next line, if you have a Ra, Ramboru, change it to Amboru. So Amboru Hasta Kala Hamsa Kishora Ramyam.
What is the third line, please?
Tvam Hastayor Adrita Chitta Vidharyam Aryehi.
என்னோட புக்ல அதித்தன்னு இருக்கு, அதிர்த்தன் மாத்திக்கணும் இல்லையா?
யோர இல்ல, it is ஹஸ்த யோர திதான் இருக்கு.
Okay, change it to Hastayora Dhrita. The second dha. Hastayora Dhrita. Tha is the first tha.
But சொல்லும்போது ஹஸ்தயோர் அதிருத்தன்னு
No,
சொல்லுங்க.
you can say it together. Hastayora Dhrita. You can say it together. If you want to break it, Hastayor Adhrita. If you want to break it. Otherwise, you can say it together. Yeah.
Okay.
Tvat preritas tadanu nandatanujayate Vyatyasamara Chayitum Sahishura Sunuhu Tvam Hastayoradrita Chitta Vidharyamaryehi Amboru Hasta Kalahamsa Kishora Ramyam.
त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयादे व्यत्यासमारजयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविधार्यमार्यैः अम्भोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम् त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयादे व्यत्यासमारजयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविधार्यमार्यैः अम्भोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम्
त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयाते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविदार्यमार्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम् त्वत्प्रेरितस्तदनु नन्दतनूजयाते व्यत्यासमारचयितुं सहिशूरसूनुः त्वां हस्तयोरधृतचित्तविदार्यमार्यैः अम्बोरुहस्तकलहंसकिशोररम्यम्.
Stanza 9. Jata tada pashupasadmani yoga nidra vimudrita mata krita pauralokam tvat preranat kimiva chitramachetanairiade dhvarai swayam bhyagati sangatitai sughadham. So since there are a lot of people I know from here who chant Devi Matmyam, I'll ask a question. So I think Sri Devi Garu, Madhavi, Jyoti Garu, and earlier whoever is there. So tell me which stanza or which chapter of Devi Matmyam where Devi tells that she is going to be born? Anyone remembers? Sri Devi Garu, Jyoti Garu? No? So in the 11th chapter, if you know, you can go back and check, right? So in the 11th chapter, and this I normally explain this in the next chapter because that's where it comes. But in Devi Mahatmya 11th one, where she says, Devyo Vacha Vaivasvatentare Prapte Ashtavimshati Me Yuge Shumbo Nishumbas Chaivanya Utpatsyete Mahasura Nanda Gopa Grihe Jata Yashoda Garbha Sambhava Tatasto Nasha Ishyami Vindhyachala Vilasini. Right? So she says to come destroy Shumba and Nishumbha. At this, in the Manvantari, she's going to come and she's going to be born in Nandagopa and Yashoda's house. And then eventually she's going to become Vindhyachala Nivasini, right? So that little bit of that comes in the 39th chapter, but because we are not going to do the 39th chapter, I wanted to let people here know. So anyway, so here what happens is this Yogamaya is born, right? She's born in the house of Nandagopa after Krishna is born. So Krishna is born in Ashtami Tithi and Yogamaya is born in Navami. So it is still the same night, but Ashtami has gotten over and Navami has already started. That's when Yogamaya is born, Devi is born, and she's actually born in the house of Nandagopa, right? But when she's born, she then puts everybody into a deep sleep. So Nidra, she puts everybody into a deep sleep and everybody then goes off to sleep. Because the baby was born in the early hours of the day, everybody somehow got tired and they didn't even realize who the baby is and they all went off to sleep. And here Bhattatripath says is, Kimiva Chitram. What is also surprising in this is that the doors, Dwarehi, Achet, they immediately, the doors which are inanimate, Achetanahi, which are inanimate, they don't have any life, they just opened by themselves. Swayam Bhagati, they opened by themselves. And then so not only did Yogamaya put all of the people there to sleep, she also automatically opened the doors out of the jail here in where Vasudeva and Devaki were. So Jata Tada Pashupa Sadmani Yoga Nidra, comma, Nidra Vimudritam Atakrita, if you want to break it, or Nidra Vimudrita Matakrita. You can say it together. Paura Lokam. Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitram Achetanair Yed. Chitram Achetanair Yed. Dwarehi is there, so put is Dwareis, Swayam, Vyagati, Sangatitaihi, so put is again, Sangatitais, Sugadham. So again, he's saying Tvat Preranat, because of your wishing, Yogamaya then is actually, that's when she's born and she does this, right? Jata Tadha Pashupasatmani Yoga Nidra, Nidra Vimudrita Mata Krita Paura Lokam. Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitramachetanair Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadham.
Jada Tada Pashupa Satmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrida Madakrita Paura Logam Tvat Preranat Kimiha Chitramachetanair Dwarai Swayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadham. Jada Tada Pashupa Satmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Madakrita Paura Logam Tvat Preranat Kimiha Chitramachetanair Dware Swayam Vyagati Sangatitai Sugadham.
Jata Tada Pashupa Sadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Matakrita Paura Lokam Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitramachetanair Dwarai Swayam Vyakadi Sangaditai Sugadam. Jata Tada Pashupa Sadmani Yoga Nidra Nidra Vimudrita Matakrita Paura Lokam Tvat Preranat Kimiva Chitramachetanair Dwarai Swayam Vyagadi Sankaditai Sugadam. Sorry.
Rajesh, mute kid.
You're mute. You're on mute.
Oh, sorry. Sheshena Bhuri Panavaritavarinath Swairam Pradarshita Pato Manidipithena Tvam dharayan sakhalu danyatamah prataste sohyam tvamisha mamanashaya roga veghan. So then as Vasudeva is now carrying Krishna, right, because the doors all opened up. So Adi Shesha, Sheshena, because of Adi Shesha, because of his panam, because of the hood, right, he then comes and then protects Krishna and Vasudeva. And then, here Bhattacharya does not say that, the water spread or anything. He just says the rainwater is there, Adi Shesha is coming and covering, and then he's leading you along the way through the river to cross, right? And then I think in the next chapter is where he talks about the river spread, water spreading out and everything. That comes in the 39th chapter. Here he's saying Adishesha is then guiding you, and you Vasudeva and the Sakalu Dhanya Tamaha. That Vasudeva is indeed a very blessed one who then is carrying you and going. So that Krishna, right, who you are come of such, you are such great powers, you please also help Mama Nashaya Roga Vegan. Also, please help eradicate my diseases and all the ailments I have. So with that, Bhattacharya completes 38th chapter. Sheshena Bhuri Phana Varita Varinatha, Swairam Pradarshita Patho Mani Deepitena. So Adishesha is also giving light, the gems, everything shining on top of Adishesha is Mani Deepitena, is also providing light in the dark. Tvam Dharayan sa khalu danyatamaha. So put a if there, danyatamah prataste, soyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan. Sheshena bhuri phanavarita varhinatha swairam pradarshita pato manidipitena tvam dharayan sa khalu danyatamah prataste sohyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan.
Sheshena bhurivana varida varinada swairam pradarsita pado manidipitena Tvam dharayan sakalu dhanyadama pradaste Soyam tvamisha mamanashaya roga vegan. Sheshena bhurivana varida varinada Swairam pradarsita pado manidipitena Tvam dharayan sakalu dhanyadama pradaste Soyam tvamisha mamanashaya roga vegan.
Sheshena bhuri panavarita varinatha swairam pratarshita pato manidipitena tvam dharayan sakalu danyatamah prataste soyam tvamisha mamanashaya roga vegan.
I just first line like is it Banavarita or is it Banavarita?
See, Sanskrit la the fa அப்படிங்க FA அப்படின்னு there is no letter. Okay. Hindiல தான் fa இருக்கு. So in Sanskritல the pa and then pa. So and the first symbol that we say fa in Hindi is actually pa in Sanskrit. So bhuri phanavarita, you emphasize that pa.
Pa, got it. Okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
Sheshena bhuri phanavarita varinatha Swairam pradarshita pato manidipitena Tvam dharayan sakalu danyatamah prataste Soyam tvamisha mamanashaya roga vegan. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
So I'm glad we were able to complete 37 and 38 before Janmashtami on Sunday or Monday morning, right? So you all can chant this a few times over the weekend as well. So 39th chapter, of course, which we are not going to cover now, that's actually bringing Yogamaya from Gokulam, right? And that's when the Yogamaya interaction with Kamsa and all happens. And at least for the group here who knows Devi Mahatmyam, it's a very interesting chapter because there's a description of Devi. The way they describe Devi in Bhagavatam is very similar to the way Devi Dhyana Slokam that we actually do in Devi Mahatmyam. The same kind of description is provided when Kamsa tries to slam the baby and the Devi then goes up on the sky. And then the description that is provided is very similar. So at that time when I was teaching that, I actually chanted some of the slokas from Devi Mahatmyam because of Dhyana Slokam that we used to chant. So anyway, that is in 39. So today, so we have just 3 chapters left. So we'll move on to 69 today. So 69 is a Rasa Krida Varnanam. right? So this is one of the chapters which is like you have to kind of sing, and even my singing is not good. So I know people like Narayani who are all expert singers, know they'll have to, nowadays sometimes Shruti goes away. But anyway, so this is one of these chapters, and this chapter looks tough, but trust me, everybody who's learned it eventually feels it's very easy. It's long lines, but it's easily separatable lines because it goes by beats, right? So it's relatively easy that way. I'm not going to explain the meaning of this because it's really Krishna's dance. And in this, when Krishna did Rasa Krida, anybody guess what his age was?
9 வயசு.
Yeah, he is 8.5, because when the time of Kamsa Vadam, he's 10.5 when Kamsa gets killed. That's happening in chapter 74 and 75, right? So this is about 8.5 is when it's happening. And in 52nd chapter, 52nd chapter, when Brahma is coming and then he takes away all the calf, at the time he's 6. So only in certain places the age gets called out, but you kind of have to then interpret what it is, right, in between. Anyway, so 69, stanza 1. केशपाशधृत पिञ्चिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम् पीतचेलधृत काञ्चि काञ्चिदमुदञ्चधंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे. So in the same chapter, people chant it in 2 different tunes. Even I learned it in 2 different tunes. So in case some of you have already listened to it in a different one, it might be difficult to switch it, but otherwise no worries, right? So Kesha, Pasha, Dhrita, Pinchika, Vitati, Sanchalan, Makara, Kundalam, comma, Hara, Jala, Vana, Malika, Lalitam Anga. So Lalita Manga, Raga, Ghana, Saurabham. Keshapashadhrita Pinchika Vitati Sanchalan Makara Kundalam Harajala Vanamalika Lalita Mangaraga Ghana Saurabham.
केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका विदति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गराग घनसौरभम् केशपाशधृतपिञ्चिका विदति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गराग घनसौरभम्. Sorry,
Rajesh,
I
this is
kind
how
of learned it
Leela
with
begins this. Leela's Narayani was exactly this. She begins with this.
yeah.
Leela begins Narayani with this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She sings so in a slow tempo, so I couldn't get it fast.
No worries.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு டவுட் ஒண்ணு. இந்த இது அங்க ராக கணன்னு சொல்றல, இதுல புக்ல வந்து அங்கா ராகன்னு இருக்கு.
இல்ல அங்க just அங்கம். Yeah.
ராஜேஷ் ப்ளீஸ் எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ வித் டியூன். நான் ஜஸ்ட் படிக்கிறேன், உங்களோட ரெக்கார்டிங்க கேட்டு நான் டியூனை கத்துக்கிறேன் ப்ளீஸ்.
That's okay. Yeah.
கேஷபாஷ திருத பிஞ்சிகா விததி சஞ்சலன் மகர குண்டலம் ஹாரஜால வனமாலிகா லலிதம் அங்கராக கன சௌரபம். கேஷபாஷ திருத பிஞ்சிகா விததி சஞ்சலன் மகர குண்டலம் ஹாரஜால வனமாலிகா லலிதம் அங்கராக கன சௌரபம்.
பீத சேல Dhrita Kanchi Kanchitam. So you have to say that, till that together. Kanchi Kanchidam Udhanchadamshu Mani Nupuram, comma, Rasa Keli Pari Bhushitam Tava He. In some books it is he. If you have a he, long he, change it to he, short he. So Bhushitam Tava He Rupamisha Kalayamahe. पीतचेलधृत काञ्ची काञ्चिदमुदञ्चधंशुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
पीतचेलधृत काञ्ची काञ्चिदमुदञ्चदं सुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे। पीतचेलधृत काञ्ची काञ्चिदमुदञ्चदं सुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
पीतचेलधृत काञ्ची काञ्चितमुदञ्चदं सुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे। पीतचेलधृत काञ्ची काञ्चितमुदञ्चदं सुमणिनूपुरं रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
So anyone else here who thinks they'll be able to make it keep with this tune?
Not difficult, Rajesh.
Huh?
I think it's easy.
Yeah, I don't think it's that hard, Rajesh.
It's not hard.
You want to try it, Lakshmi Garu? Then?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Sure.
who else wants to?
I can also do it.
Okay, Shobha. Okay, so maybe Lakshmi Garu and Shobha let's do it. Stanza two.
Okay.
No, I'll do it from the second stanza. Okay. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले अन्तरा सकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्चनाभसमुपाददाः। So, तावदेव कृत मण्डने कलित कञ्चुलीक कुच मण्डले गण्ड लोल मणि कुण्डले युवति मण्डलेत परिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्जुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डनेन कलित
You're putting an extra na, the mandane na, you are saying it's mandane.
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्जुलीककुचमण्डले कण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले तपरिमण्डले
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले परिमण्डले तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डले परिमण्डले
Antara sakala sundari yugalam indira. If you want to break it, yugalam indira ramana sancharan, manjulam thadanu rasa kelim ai kanchanabha samupadadhaha. Antara sakala sundari yugalam indira ramana sancharan मंजुलां तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्चनाभसमुपादधाः
अंधरा सकल सुंदरी युगलमिंदिरा रमण संजरन मंजुलांतदनुरास केलि मयि कंचनाभ समुपादताः अंधरा सकल सुंदरी युगलमिंदिरा रमण संजरन मंजुलांतदनुरास केलि मयि कंचनाभ समुपादताः.
Sorry, Rajesh. When you asked me, I thought it was not bad to do it at home, but I didn't realize I'm doing it now. So I will do it to the best of my ability.
Okay. No worries.
Antara sakala sundari yugala mindira ramana sancharan manjulam tadanu rasa keli maye kanjana bhasamupadada. अंतरा सकल सुंदरी युगल मिंदिरा रमण संचरन मंजुलां तदनुरास कीलिमयि कंजनाभ समुपादधाः. You better ask somebody else who is the singer, not me.
Narayani Bandrela. Okay, we'll go chant. Again, don't worry if you're not getting the tune. At the end of the day, you should just know how to chant it, right? Sing it with whatever tune you want. I'm just teaching one tune to be consistent with everybody. That's all. Okay, so don't feel bad about it at all.
And the other tune is easier than this?
No, then I'll get confused because for everybody else I've taught this tune, so I don't want to.
Okay.
Stanza 3. Vasudeva tava bhasamanamih rasakeli rasa saurabham duratopi khalu narada gatitam akalayya kutukakula besha bhushana vilasa peshala vilasini shata samavrita nakato yugapadagata biyati vegato tasura mandali. So Vasudeva tava bhasamanam iha rasa keli rasa saurabham, comma duratopi khalu narada gatitam akalayya. If you want to break it, narada gatitam akalayya kutu kakula. Vasudeva tava bhasamanamih rasakeli rasa saurabham duratopi khalu narada gatitam akalayya kutukakula.
Vasudeva tava bhasamanamih rasakeli rasa saurabham Duratopi kalu narada gaditamakalaiya kudukakula. Vasudeva tava bhasamanamiha rasakeli rasa saurabham Duratopi kalu narada gaditamakalaiya kudukakula.
Vasudeva tava bhasamanamiha rasakeli rasa saurabham duratopi kalu narada gatitamakalaiya kutukakula. Vasudeva tava bhasamanamiha rasakeli rasa saurabham duratopi kalu narada gatitam na akalayya kutukakula.
Vesha bhushana vilasa peshala vilasini, long ni, vilasini shata samavrita, comma nakatho yuga padagata viyati vegatota sura mandali. Veshabhushana vilasa peshala vilasini shata samavrita nakato yugapadagata viyati vegatota suramandali.
Veshabhushana vilasa peshala vilasini shada samavruta नागदो युगपदागदा वियति वेगतोद सुरमण्डली वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी सुदसमावृता
शत विलासिनी शत समावृता
विलासिनी शतसमावृता नागदो युगपतागता वियति वेगतोदसुरमण्डली
वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शतसमावृता नाकतो युगपदा गता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली वेशभूषण विलास पेशल विलासिनी शतसमावृता नाकतो युगपदा गता वियति वेगतोत सुरमण्डली.
Stanza 4. वेणुनादकृत तानदान कलगान रागगति योजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृत तालमेलन मनोहरम् पाणिसंक्वणित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलम्बितकराम्बुजम् श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसढम्बरम्. वेणु नाद कृत तान दान, first is ta, next is da, tana dana kala gana raga gati yojana, and then put a plus there. Lobhaniya mridu pada patha krita tala melana manoharam. वेणुनादकृत तानधान कलगान रागगति योजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृत तालमेलन मनोहरम्. शुभ म्यूट लिरके.
वेणुनादकृत तानदान नकलकान राग
Can you try it again? And the Tana, Dhana, Kala, Ghana.
Oh, got it. Venunada Kruta Dana Tana Kala Kana Raga Gadiyo Jana Lopani Amrudupa Pada Pata Kruta Tala Mena Manoharam.
Melana Manohar.
Tala Melana Manoharam. वेणुनादकृत तानदान कलगान गानरागगदियोजना लोपनीय मृदुपादपातकृत तालमेन मनोहरम्.
मेलन
कृत तालमेलन मनोहरम्.
वेणुनादकृत तानदान कलगान रागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृत तालमेलन मनोहरम्. वेणुनादकृत तानदान कलगान रागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृत तालमेलन मनोहरम्.
पाणि संक्वणित संक्वणित कंकणं च मुहुरंस लंबित कराम्बुजं कॉमा श्रोणि बिंब चलदंबरं भजत रास केलि रस ढंबरम्. पाणि संक्वणित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलंबित कराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिंब चलदंबरं भजत रासकेलिरसढंबरम्.
पाणि संक्वणित कंकणं च मुहुरं सलंबित कराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिंब चलदंबरं भजत रासकेलिरसढंबरम्. पाणि संक्वणित कंगणं च मुहुरं सलंबित कराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिंब चलदंबरं भजत रासकेलिरसडंबरम्.
पाणि संकवनित
पाणि Sankwanita. Kwa.
Oh, kwa. Okay. Pani sankwanita kankanam cha mukhur amsalambita karambujam shroni bimba chaladambaram bhajatarasake lirasadambaram.
Narayani, the third line end. I think you are saying muhur amsa, which is correct, but I think you can just try to say it together. Muhur amsa in one flow.
Muhur amsa.
Okay.
Pani sankwanita kankanam cha muhuram salambita karambujam shroni bimba chaladambaram bhajatarasake lirasadambaram.
Stanza 5. Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartane talalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushane sammadena krita pushpavarsamalam unmishaddi vishadham kulam chinmaye tvayi niliyamanamiva sammumoha savadhukulam. So the first word, some books have it as spardaya, some books have it as shraddaya. So if you have spardaya, change it to shraddaya. Okay, so shraddaya with devotion, that's what it means. So shraddaya virachi tanu gana krita tara tara madura sware, comma nartaneta lalitanga hara lulitanga hara mani bhushane. Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartane talalitanga hara lulitanga hara mani bhushane.
Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartadeda lalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushane. Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartane lalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushane.
Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartane talalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushane. Shraddhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madurasware nartane talalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushane.
Sammadena krita pushpa varsham alam unmi shaddi. If you want to break it, pushpa varsham alam unmi shaddi vishadam kulam, comma chinmaye tvayi niliya manam iva sammumoha savadhukulam. Sammadena krita pushpavarsamalam unmishadhi vishadham kulam chinmaye tvayi niliyamanamiva sammumoha savadhukulam.
Sammadena krita pushpavarshamala. Correct?
The pushpa varsham alam unmi. That's the best way, easy to break it that way.
Sammadena krita pushpavarsha alama.
Yeah, pushpa varsham alam.
Pushpavarsha amalam unmishad vishadam.
Unmishadhi, and the shaddi is a double da. So unmishadhi.
Unmishadhi vishadam kulam chinmaye tvayi niliyamanamiva sammumoha swatu kulam.
Savadhu, full sa, savadhu kulam.
Savadhu kulam. Sammadena krita pushpavarsamalam unmishad vishadam.
Unmishadhi.
Unmishadvi shatam kulam चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवक्तूकुलम्
सम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्दिविशदां कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम् सम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्दिविशदां कुलं चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम्.
Stanza 6. स्विन्नसन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमंसमवलम्भते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुलेक्षणा काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभम् वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजम् अञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा स्विन्न double na sanna double na tanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashu pangana comma kantam amsam. If you want next word you can break it into 3 parts if you want to. Kantam amsam avalambhate. Okay, kantam amsam we can say it together once you are easy if you find it easy. Sma tava tanti bhara mukulekshana swinna sanna
sorry samava smava
sma sma
sma brishanu போட்டிருக்கு
kantam amsam avalambate sma brishava
sma brishanu போட்டிருக்கு.
Okay, can you change it to tava because nobody told that before so I don't know why. Sma tava.
Sma tava. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Sma brushanu da enak vandirudhu.
Ama just change it to tava then because most of the books might have it as tava. I normally refer to prapati in case there is a confusion and most of them have it as tava. So sma tava.
Sma tava.
Swinna sannatanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana कांतमंसम अवलंबते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुलेक्षणा
स्विन्दसन्नत लुवल्लरी तदनु काभिनाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमंसमवलम्बते स्म तव तान्ति भारमुकुलेक्षणा विन्दसन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु काभिनाम पशुपाङ्गना कान्तमंस ममलम्पदे स्म तव तान्तिपार मुकुलेक्षणा.
Shobha, can you say that second line first word again? Kantam.
Kantam amsa alva?
Kantam amsam avalambate. I think you put an extra mark.
Third no vandirukku adha apdi padikiren. Okay ah?
Enadhu? Okay, that's okay. Just try it once more, that second line. Okay.
Swinna sannatanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana kantamam samavalambate smatavanti bharamukulekshana Swinna sannatanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana kantamam samavalambate smatavanti bharamukulekshana
Kachida chalita kuntala nava patira sara ghana saurabham comma vanchanena tava sanchu chumbha bhujam anchitoru. If you want to break it, bhujam anchitoru pulakankura. Kachida chalita kuntala navapatira saragana saurabham vanchanena tava sanchu chumba bhujamanchitoru pulakankura.
Rajesh, idhula idha irukku காசிதாசலித குந்தலா நவபடீரசார நவ சௌரபம் அப்படி வந்திருக்கு.
Oh, Nava. Okay, and then just change it to Ghana. Okay, change it to Ghana Saurabham. I think both of your books are probably similar books.
எனக்கும் நவ சௌரபம் தான்
Change it to Ghana Saurabham. Ghana, yeah.
சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல நவ சௌரபம் போட்டிருக்கு, இங்கிலீஷ்ல கன சௌரபம் போட்டிருக்கு.
I don't know, multiple, like the majority, there are only two versions of the books are always there. Most of the people are on one side, others are on the other side. That's how it normally happens.
கன சௌரபம் அண்ட் புலகாங்குரான்னு போட்டிருக்கியா, நீ புலகாங்குரம்னு போட்டிருக்க என்னோடதுல.
கரெக்ட், நீங்க குரான் சொன்னீங்க.
Kura, change it to Kura.
குரம், குராம்
இல்ல குரா, no
இல்ல குரம்ல குரா.
Kura, Kura.
ஓகே. காசிதாசலித குந்தலாதவ படீசரா கண சௌரபம் வஞ்சனேன தவ சஞ்சுச்சும்ப புஜமஞ்சிதோரு புலகாங்குரா காச்சிதா. Is it Kachi that you said or Kashi?
Kachi.
Okay, எழுதிருக்கேன். காச்சிதாச்சலித குந்தலா நவ படீரசார கண சௌரபம் வஞ்சனேன தவ சஞ்சுச்சும்ப புஜமஞ்சிதோரு புலகாங்குரா.
காச்சிதாச்சலித குண்டலா நவபடீரசார கண சௌரபம் வஞ்சனேன தவ சஞ்சுச்சும்ப புஜமஞ்சிதோரு புலகாங்குரா. காச்சிதாச்சலித குண்டலா நவபடீரசார கண சௌரபம் வஞ்சனேன தவ சஞ்சுச்சும்ப புஜமஞ்சிதோரு புலகாங்குரா.
Let's do just two more today, because that's when we can get to the 98, and next time I want to finish it. So stanza 7. Kapi ghanda bhuvi sannidhaya nija ghanda makulita kundalam punya pura nidiranvava tava puga charvitara samritam indira vihriti mandiram bhuvana sundaram hinatanantare त्वामवाप्यदुरङ्गनाः किमुन सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्. कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निज गण्डम् आकुलित, if you want to break it, गण्डम् आकुलित kundalam, comma, punya pura nidiranvavapa or nidir anvavapa, if you want to break it, or nidiranvavapa together, tava पूग चर्वित रसामृतम. कापि घंड भुवि सन्निधाय निज घंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वित रसामृतम.
कापि गंड भुवि सन्निधाव निज घंडमाकुलित कुंडलम पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम्. कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निज गण्डमाकुलित कुण्डलम् पुण्यपूर निधिरव्यवाप
Anvavap. You said something else. Just repeat that second line.
Punyabhura nidiravyavapa.
No. Okay, you're saying ravya. If you are using ravya vapa, you're saying is ranva vapa.
Got it. Punyabhura nidiranya ranva vapa tava pugacharchita rasamrudam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kapi gandabhuvi सन्निधाय निज गण्डमाकुलित कुण्डलं पुण्यपूर्व निधिर् अन्ववाप तव पूग चार्वितर सामृतम्.
Charvita, not charvita.
Oh, charvita. Okay. कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निज गण्डमाकुलित कुण्डलं पुण्यपूर निधिरन्ववाप तव पूग चर्वितर सामृतम्.
Indira vihriti mandiram bhuvana sundaram hi nata nantare, comma, tvam avapya Daduranganaha is there. You can put the ih sound. Dadurangana. Kimu na sammadon mada dashantaram. If you want to spread it, break it, you can say that whole word together. But if you want to break it, sammadon mada dashantaram. Indira vihriti mandiram bhuvana sundaram hinatanantare twamavapya daduranganah kimuna sammadon mada dashantaram.
Indira Vihrudi Mandiram Bhuvana Sundaram Hinadan Nadanantare Vamavapya Tanurangana Kimuna Sammadon Madadashantaram.
Shobha, the last line, the Dhadurangana. Dhadurang.
Dadu, it's
Yeah.
Dadu. The Indira Viruti Mandiram Bhuvana Sundaram Nadanantare Vamavapya Datarangana
Dhadu.
Dadura Rangana Kimuna Sammadon Madadashantaram.
Indira Vihriti Mandiram Bhuvana Sundaram Hinatanantare Tvamavapya Daduranganah Kimuna Sammadon Madadashantaram. Indira Vihriti Mandiram Bhuvana Sundaram Hinatanantare Tvamavapya Daduranganah Kimuna Sammadon Madadashantaram.
Stanza 8. Ganamisha viratam kramena kila bhadyamelanamupaaratam brahma sammadarasakula sadasi kevalam nanuturangana navidhannapi cha nibikam kimapi kuntalimapi cha kanchulim jyotishamapi kadambakam divi vilambitam kimaparam bhruve. So ganam isha Biratam Kramena Kila Vadhya Melanam Uparatam. If you want to break it, Vadhya Melanam Uparatam, comma Brahma Sammada Rasa Kulaha is that. So put the is Rasa Kulas Sadasi Kevalam Nanrutu Ranganaha. Nanrutu Ranganaha.
Rajesh, Ganamisha Viratam Kramena Kila Vadya Melanamuparatam. Can we say it in one?
Yeah. You can say it together. Yeah. Melanamuparatam. You can say it together. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ganamisha Viratam Kramena Kila Vadya Melanamuparatam Brahma Sammadarasa Kula Sadasi Kevalam Nanruturangana.
Ganami Saviratam Kramena Kila Vadyamelanamuparatam Brahma Sammadarasa Kula Sadasi Kevalam Nanruturanganaha. Nanruturanganaha. Ganami Saviratam Kramena Kila Vadyamelanamuparatam Brahma Sammadarasa Kula Sadasi Kevalam Nanruturanganaha.
Ganamisha Viratam Kramena Kila Vadyamelanamuparatam Brahma Sammadarasa Kula Sadasi Kevalam Nanruturanganaha. Ganamisha Viratam Kramena Kila Vadyamelanamuparatam Brahma Sammadarasa Kula Sadasi Kevalam Nanruturanganaha.
Is it na or na? The last letter.
Na, first na, just not ma, just na.
Okay.
Where, Sindhuji? Ranganaha.
Nanruturanganaha.
Oh, Nanruturanganaha. Okay.
Navi dhannapi. Double na there. Navi dhannapi cha nivikam kimapi kuntalim api. If you want to break it, kuntalim api or kuntalim api together. Cha kanchulim, comma jyotishamapi kadambakam divi vilambitam kimaparam bhruve. नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्दलीमपि च कञ्जलीं
कञ्चुलीं
कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्दलीमपि च कञ्जुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुण्डलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
And sorry, Narayani, and the third line, Kuntalim. I heard it as Kuntalim. Ta, TH.
இந்த இடத்துல ஓ
Third line.
குந்தலீமா
Yeah, Kuntalim, not
ஓ
Talim.
நான் சொல்லிட்டேன் சாரி ஓகே नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीं ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे करेक्टा சொன்னேனா இப்போ
Yeah. So we'll stop it here on the class. सान्ध्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावत् भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.